This video will show users how to submit procurement contracts and amendments through the Electronic Documents Submission System, or EDSS. The procurement contract or amendment will need to be created in an SFS first, using the appropriate electronic audit type, and all necessary approvals will need to be obtained, such as the AG or civil service. Once the transaction is created in SFS, you then log into EDSS. From the home page, under Contract Documents, select Submit Procurement Contract Amendment. This will bring you to the Find Procurement Contracts screen. From here, you can search by any part of the audit ID, such as business unit or contract number. You can also search by the 26-digit PeopleSoft ID. Click Search. This will pull up a list of all transactions your agency has pending OSC with an electronic audit type. Select the appropriate transaction. This will bring you to the Attach Files screen. On the Attach Files screen, you can upload any of the major file types: PDF, Word, Excel. The only requirement is that they be searchable, meaning you can do Control-F to locate something in the document. There are two different ways to upload your documents. You can select Browse for multiple files, locate the file you want on your computer, and click Open. Or you can open a File Explorer window, locate the files you want on your computer, and drag and drop multiple files at once directly to the Drop Files Here box. The files you selected will now be displayed in your upload queue. If you wish to remove any documents from the queue, you can click Remove to delete individual documents, or you can click Remove All. Once you are ready to upload your documents, click Upload All. Your uploaded documents will display in the table below. Once the files are uploaded, you will need to select a document type and make sure your description is accurate and meaningful. The document type field is a drop-down and includes the same categories listed on our documentation order guide. The idea is that the document will be sorted into buckets or categories: transaction identifying documents, contract or amendment, procurement documents, VendRep. From the drop-down, select the correct document type. The description field automatically populates with the file name. You can leave the description field as is, or you can override the file name if you would like to list a more accurate and meaningful description. There is a 100-character limit. Once you've assigned the document type and description, click Save. Repeat this step for all documents and click Save for each document. Once all your documents are saved, you have the option to open and review them. Click on the file name and the document will open. If you need to remove any documents, click Delete under Actions. At any point, you can click Save for Later. This will allow you to come back later and continue. You also have the ability to move back and forth through the system if you need to make any changes. Once you have all of your documents uploaded and labeled, click Next. This will bring you to the Choose Additional Contacts screen. Here you can select other people from your list of stored agency contacts to receive system notifications. Multiple people can be selected using Control+Click. When you have the correct people selected, click Next. This will bring you to the Review Procurement Submissions screen. The procurement information displays the transaction details from SFS. If you scroll down, you will see the attachments you added. You again have the option to open and review the uploaded attachments. Any additional contacts you selected will be listed below that. And at the bottom of the page is a certification stating, I certify that the electronic record being submitted is the complete contractual agreement and procurement record. This electronic record was made in the regular course of business using a process that accurately reproduces the original and does not permit additions, deletions, or changes without leaving a record of such additions, deletions, or changes. You have to check the certification before the transaction can be submitted to OSC. Once you are ready, click Submit to send the transaction to OSC. You will receive an email letting you know that the transaction has been submitted to OSC, and BOC will begin its normal audit process. Thanks for learning with us.